In China, corn is usually harvested from late summer to early autumn. Farmers may pick the ears by hand, or use modern machines that harvest and shell the kernels at the same time. Afterward, the corn is often sun-dried, and in many rural areas, the cobs are tied into long strings and hung in front of houses to keep them dry and protect them from mold and pests. Corn is not only an important food source, but it is also rich in fiber, supporting a healthy digestive system. The kernels provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. In addition, corn flour can be used in a variety of dishes such as dumplings, bread, or porridge, offering diverse flavors that are widely enjoyed.